YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So, dear friends, in this reading, we are going to see your energies for the coming week in English language. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this reading from that time frame until a time frame of say 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be activated for you. And this is a reading for all zodiac signs, and so if your sun sign or moon sign is any of these signs, you may look for this reading. Let's start with our first zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Arian friends. Okay, so it is a week of a blessing coming for our Aries friends. I feel that there was a situation of lack in the last week or weeks. Maybe they have gone through a situation of lack. For some of my friends, I feel that there was a situation wherein either it can be related to the health, their own health, or the health of a parent or a partner or a child who was suffering in their mind, body and soul. And they were in the coming week, I feel that you are taking you're going to a doctor and taking doing lot many tests for them, and as a result of these tests there is going to be healing. So this situation is going to heal for you. In regards to a health situation, definitely healing hope is there. So a wish come true situation for a person who was suffering in their health, and this person can be an Aquarius person most evidently, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn person. Okay, in a love scenario, in a relationship love scenario, if you were feeling lack of a partner or cooperation from your parents, your child or your partner, and you were feeling like there was a stuck up energy and you wanted to move away from them, there was no understanding in a certain scenario. In that scenario also, I feel that a lot of clarity is going to come in the coming week, and healing is going to occur. The person who is beside you can be an Aquarius person, is going to give you a lot of clarity, can be a lawyer also, can be a middle person also, who is going to bring a lot of healing in this situation. For a work scenario also, I feel that if you were feeling lack of cooperations from your partner, or you were feeling lack in a financial status and feeling stuck in a work scenario and you wanted to move from there, an opportunity wherein you have given an interview, you're going to crack that interview and wish fulfillment scenario is happening. A situation that was unclear around you is going to be clear in the coming week. For some of my friends, this is an opportunity of movement. If they wanted to move away from a certain situation, person, or from a certain place also, this is an opportunity of a wish fulfillment wherein healing is occurring and there is hope, there is inspiration. For some of my friends, this is a week of a spiritual upgrade. Some kind of an energy awakening, an aha moment is going to happen for you, and you're going to be awakened into a new soul in the coming week. The month of October is being highlighted over here, so something you wanted to manifest regarding which there was a lot of confusion can manifest for you in October 2021, dear friends. And you need to shield yourself as well. They say you need to defend yourself. Yeah, for a situation where you felt lack, might be of finances or cooperation, it can be with regard to a court case also, and I feel that you need a lawyer. You need to defend yourself. You need to be assertive with this person who is involved in this situation, who is causing you so much lack. It can be with regard to your work scenario or your other relationships, and you have a clear guidance message over here from the angels which says get more information. So with regard to this scenario wherein you feel stuck, wherein you feel lack, wherein you feel discontent and you want to move out of this situation, for the interview that you want to crack, or for the healing that you want for your health or the health of the person around you, you need to get more information. So seek this information, might be from internet, Google, or from the people like doctors, lawyers, or more resourceful sources around you. So it's a big week of a wish fulfillment, lot of hope and inspiration for you. For the things that were unclear for you, I wish you all the best, and we move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So dear angels, how is the coming week going to be for our Taurian friends? Wow, it is a week of a lot of recognition for our Taurian friends. Name, fame, recognition, justice is coming towards them. Beautiful week of healing for our Taurian friends. So I feel that my Taurian friends in the last week have felt very stable, secured financially. There was a certain kind of a documentation work and a clarity on a certain situation that came to them. Some of them are manifesting home. All in all, I can say in the last week also you have felt very grounded, you have felt beautiful, you have felt abundant in your energies. And however, there was a need for you to, let go of certain things, certain people, places and situations in your life that were not serving you, and might be you have let loose certain situations which is making you feel more independent and free now in the coming week. So the start of the week, Monday, Tuesday, I see you feeling very, very abundant. I see you feeling very much recognized. A lot of name, fame, recognition, lot of attention, appreciation is coming from your peer group, from your friends, your relations, and you're feeling very successful. Mid of the week, say around Wednesday, Thursday, I feel that there is something that you are very defensive about. There is a situation wherein you want to defend yourself. It can be the situation can be involving a person who is a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean person, and you are being defensive, you are being assertive, you are having the courage to fight your battles on your own, and so you are standing your grounds in the mid of the week. I see that. Moving towards the end of the week, I see that there are many options of healing, many options of work if you were looking for your passions, pursuing your passions, or many options of proposals coming towards you. And towards the weekend, I feel that a soulful joy, an offer of soulful joy, or might be you are healing so much so that generally in your own energies you're enjoying a lot with your friends, family members. Kids are also involved in this scenario. So it's a very beautiful week wherein I see the energies of passion, wherein I see the energies of emotions and passions being involved. And some of you, I feel, are doing something creative. You are pursuing your creative passions in this week. It's a week of a blessing coming towards you. Your ancestors, your deceased loved ones are blessing you. So in a work scenario, if you were wishing to become independent, I feel that you are seeking your options. For some of you, towards the weekend, say Thursday, Friday, there can be proposals of businesses coming for you, or service options coming for you, or might be you are seeking your various like as if you're feeling your jack of all and you're seeking your professions that you want to pursue. Something of the sorts is happening. And for some of you, if you were waiting on an absolute revelation of some kind of a work area that gives you soulful joy, I feel you will eventually be blessed to discover that some of you are connecting with spiritual healers who are giving you healings, and so you're opening your passionate side also, and you're healing your soul also. There is a connection with divine that is happening. There is a blessing from ancestors, deceased loved ones that is coming to you. Coins, dear friends, it's a very very beautiful week. Money will be coming to you for something you are doing in this week. For some of my friends, I feel that it is a week of upgrade. They are being appreciated. Some kind of a raise, recognition is coming to them in their work area, and money will be coming to them. There is something they are doing as their passion. Oh wow, it's such a beautiful week. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Oh my god, I didn't see it as such big a week. Oh, it's a week of a big blessing. For some of you, on a very basic level, it can be a marriage that you're attending and you're feeling soulful joy. But for some others, it can be a big week of your marriage being fixed. Some kind of a documentation, yes, I feel some kind of a documentation commitment is coming towards you with regard to a certain business. Might be that you want to start for yourself, or if you're a married person, it can be for your partner or for your child. Marriage proposal, business, it's a big week for my Taurian friends. Wonderful. Some opportunity of success that you did not give up. You were courageous, you were fighting your battles, and eventually you become a winner. Money will be coming to you. Wonderful, yeah, in the near future. So this card I consider only for a few weeks. So I feel this opportunity of manifestation of your marriage, your business commitments, or your upgrade, your raise, or you becoming a spiritual healer can happen for you within the month of July itself. Wonderful cards for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. It's a very emotionally fulfilling week and a very passionate week for you. Wonderful energies for you. Lots of love and best wishes to my Taurian friends, and we move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. Coming week for our Gemini friends. Wow, Ace of Cups. Oh my god. Oh my god. Marriages being fixed for some of my friends. Wow, amazing. Such a beautiful week even for my Gemini friends. So there is a proposal of marriage for a few of you. If you are singles and you are seeking marriage, I feel in the last week only there was a middle person and who came into your life, who fixed a roka or a marriage ceremony for you. A reconciliation took place for you. In the coming week, you are going to feel soulful joy. A new proposal is coming to you for your marriage, or for your child's marriage, or for marriage of a very dear person in your life. Exactly. And for some of my friends, on a very basic level, I feel that last week also you were attending somebody's birthday party or some kind of a celebration, a roka or engagement. And in the coming week also you're feeling soulful joy as you're getting together with your friends and family members, celebrating a certain marriage or a certain function or a birthday. That kind of a soulful joy is there. Lot of happiness, lot of contentment. You're interacting with your soul family, extended family, and enjoying. For a work scenario, if somebody was looking for healing or movement, travel opportunity for work, I feel in last week there was a person who cracked an opportunity of travel for you, or a change of a work scenario, and you moving out from a chaotic work scenario to a very stable opportunity. Now this opportunity can be an opportunity of manifestation of work for home for some people, and for some people it is a timing of retirement. And in the coming week I feel that they are celebrating their retirement with their friends and family members. And for some other friends, I feel that they cracked an interview in the coming week, and you are manifesting a new job or a new soul purpose for you, which is your divine life purpose also, and you're connecting with your soul family in the coming week. For some of my friends, this is a manifestation of childbirth. So in the coming week, you are going to give the news of your conception to your family members, and there will be enjoy. However, the coming week is very celebratory for you, and there is reconciliation in families, in partners, in the situations that were chaotic. There is a scenario of reconciliation, people coming together, like-minded people, success assured with good plans and hard work. And we do see an egg over here, so this is a period of childbirth, child conception for some, and new spiritual awakening for some of my friends, connecting to their spiritual family as well. Yes, success assured. So your hard work is paying off in whichever area you were pouring in hard work, in your work area, your relationships, or your health also. If you were looking for healing and stability for a person, I feel in the coming week their heart chakra is going to open up, heal, and so there is going to be a celebratory time. For you, there is a guidance message from the divine. Listen to your intuition. So you are being given divine guidance messages from divine. And so with this regard to this scenario, if there is a person coming towards you with a love proposal or a work proposal, which is a soulful desire of yours, you need to listen to your intuitive nudges that the angels are giving. Or might be, this reading is your intuitive answer from the divine, so you may listen to your intuition and follow your guidance accordingly. It's a very, very beautiful celebratory week for my Gemini friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Might be you are celebrating birthdays, so enjoy yourself thoroughly well. And now we are going to move on to our next zodiac sign of Cancer, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So we have Goddess Durga over here, who helps in the killing of the devils. So let us see what blessing Goddess Durga is going to give to our Cancerian friends in the coming week. Okay, so there is a situation around my Cancerian friends. There is a situation of confusion and uncertainty is there in a certain situation. Might be you are doubtful also about a certain situation or a certain person. In the coming week, I feel that a very quick communication is going to happen, and there is going to be a very quick clarity that is going to come to you with regard to this situation. And this clarity is going to be your divine gift from the universe, which is going to be your wheel of fortune, kind of a destiny shift. So in the last week, I feel that you have been patient, you have been seeing the other aspects or of the situations that you are wishing for, wherein you want luck to be in your favor. So you're going there is a destiny shift. There are events happening around you that are changing your destiny, but during this period of the destiny shift, there is a lot of anxiety that is happening to you. There is a lot of confusion. The situations or the people around you are not clear to you. And the start of the week, I feel Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you feel very your subconscious mind is very fearful, and you're not clear about a certain situation that you want to manifest in your life, and which is your destiny shift, and you are not actually understanding whether these things that are happening for you are happening for your good or they are not happening for your good, because there is a situation behind you which is very stressful. There is competition. If it is in regards to a work scenario also, I feel that there is a lot of competition, there are many challenges, and there are stressful people around you who are fighting for the same opportunity which you want to manifest. So in the last week, I feel that there has been an energy of stagnation, waiting, patience, and seeing the things from a different perspective. I see that there is a person besides you who is a person in authoritative position, and this person can be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, or a Sagittarius person, and there is another zodiac sign, Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio. Many zodiac signs and many people involved in this situation around you. So let us see what is going to be the final outcome of this unclear situation for you in the coming week. So in the coming week, there is going to be a communication which with certain people who are very harmonious with you, who have a like mind towards you, and they are going to give you certain options. So you are going to be given options to choose for and clear yourself out of this situation. Yes, so Monday, Tuesday, we see you in a confused scenario. Your subconscious mind is also working a lot, many negative scenarios, and you are listening to intuitive guidance. You are approaching tarot card readers also. Mid of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, I feel a very quick communication or travel, or somebody just comes to you, and towards the end of the week, there is a blessing, there is a clarity that comes to you in the situation, and you are being given the opportunity to make the choice for yourself. And in the whole scenario, I feel again that there is a big blessing that is coming from your ancestors, your deceased loved ones, or there is a spiritual person around you who is guiding you throughout the process. Now let's see. Staff, dear friends, there is a card wherein they say you will be taken care of in difficult times. So yes, I feel that God, divine, angelic energies, and in fact even seniors might be in your company, or the elderly people in your family are going to help you out of the situation. In a love scenario also, I feel that there is a situation in which you feel stuck, there is confusion, there are secrets, there is a deception in this relationship, and you are absolutely going to be connecting with some lawyers or a person in a higher authority. Can be a court of law also, or might be with family members who are seniors to get clarity on this situation, and you are being given choices to make choice from. But however, in the whole scenario, you are protected and shielded. Sorrow over a loss. So there can be a situation wherein there is you are feeling loss over an opportunity. So that can be a scenario for some of our friends. I feel that this is more of your subconscious mind, which is more negative, which feels that I am going to lose in this situation. This can be your subconscious fear. Not the right time, dear friends. So in order to pursue a certain decision, or in this better, for my Cancerian friends, it is not the right time to pursue what. So the angels just want to give you a clear guidance that if there is something that you want to jump in just for the heck of picking up an opportunity, the angels say it is not the right time to jump in things. It is not the right time to take risks. Think carefully, get suggestions from the seniors around you, and then only take final decision. Okay, might be the coming week is not the right time for you to give your absolute answer to the choice that you want to make. So I wish you all the best. However, in the whole process you are protected, you are guarded and guided. So wishing you all the best. The choice is always in your hand, and choose that which is more morally correct for you. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. So what are the energies of the coming week for our Leo friends? So for our Leo friends also, there is a scenario of confusion. Subconscious minds are fearful, and I feel that they want a lot of clarity on a certain situation, might be with regard to their relationships or might be with regard to their work area. They want clarity. Okay, and they want a new start also. So in the last week I feel that they were fantasizing about a certain relationship. For my Leo friends, for some of them this is a relationship which involves a third party situation, where there is no clarity, or might be it is a relationship of cheating, deception on their mind, and they were fantasizing about this relationship. Might be they have a person on their mind, they want to pursue a relationship with this person who is already married or who is already involved with someone else. So that kind of a scenario was there in the last week, and in the coming week I feel that you want absolute clarity on the situations that are unclear for you, and in doing so it is possible that start of the week only you have a clear communication. Monday, Tuesday, have a clear communication with a partner, and you ask them as to what is the clear scenario of our relationships. And towards the weekend I feel that there can be a start, there can be a manifestation of relationship. For those of my persons who are single, this relationship, there is going to be clarity, and healing and reconciliation is going to come in this mysterious situation. This relationship can start for you. For those of my friends who are seeking a relationship with a person, or they were involved with a person who was already married and there was cheating, deception in that relationship, I feel that you're going to absolutely decide to cut your cord from this mysterious, confusing relationship, and you would wish to restart your relationship with your partner and come down to a more stable situation. So you are going to reconcile with your partner, and you are going to give a closure. You are going to evaluate and re-evaluate your relationship, and you are going to give a closure to this unhealthy relationship where there was deception and cheating. For some of my friends, there is some kind of a documentation work that is happening. With the work scenario, I feel that some of my Leo friends wish to make a sneaky move from a situation that wherein their work was not being appreciated. Some people were even taking away their work and taking all the name, fame away from them. They were cheating on them. Their colleagues were cheaters, deceptors. From that scenario, you're going to get an opportunity to move out of that, but there is a bit of confusion. So there is going to be a documentation work going to that is a clear communication that is going to happen for you in the coming week. And this opportunity, this new opportunity of material manifestation and a new job, new business, or a new career perspective is going to come to you in the coming week. So very, very beautiful week for you for the manifestation of a new job, career, or a profession for yourself or for your child also. If for your child you were seeking this scenario, this is going to happen for you. For some of my friends, they wanted to manifest childbirth and they were seeking options of other options of going for IUI, IUF. I feel that you're going to connect with a person in the coming week who is going to help you in the manifestation of this childbirth as well. I feel that the healings from my YouTube channel are also going to help you in the manifestation of childbirth. For some of my friends, there is a situation around their child which was confusing, and there is going to be clarity. There is going to be a situation of education that they wanted to pursue, or a financial opportunity that they wanted to manifest for their child, that the clarity in that situation will come. There is a situation of evaluation, re-evaluation, and a rebirth happening in your relationship scenarios, in your work scenarios, in your health scenarios. If the emotional health of a person was suffering, that person is might be you going for their checkups, and they are going to regain their health. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So yeah, definitely changes are happening into your life, because your divine feminine is healing, and so you are very well connected with the divine. In the mid of the week, I feel that you're going to get intuitive messages, guidance, and divine realm is very much connected with you. Some of you are spiritual healers, and you're getting a lot of clarity on the scenarios that are going around you. There's a card of desk, dear friends, over here. They say pay attention to your work. So if you are neglecting your work because of some emotional disturbances, this is a week for you to pay attention. Get back to your routines, your healthy routines for food, for your work, for your exercising. That is very important. And it is a week of any question on your mind with regard to your relationship manifesting. There is a yes from the universe. If there was a suspicious scenario of a relationship, wherein over here the zodiac signs which I see for you are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, and Piscean, Cancer person, a relationship is going to manifest for them, for singles. And if you are asking whether you should be coming out of this deceptive relationship, a relationship that had cheating and deception, yes, you should be coming out of that relationship and bring emotional and physical stability into your life now. Wanted to manifest childbirth, go for this option. If you want to manifest this new opportunity of work, go for this option. If you want to manifest home or any property investment that you were not clear about, go through the documents carefully, and yes, it is for you. Listen to your intuition. Very, very beautiful week for my Leo friends, manifesting a rebirth for themselves. Lots of love and best wishes for you, and a clear yes answer from divine for my Leo friends. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. Coming week for our Virgo friends, what are going to be the energy vibrations for them, or for the people around them, or for the situations around them in the coming week? Let us see what is the guidance. This is a timeless reading. Oh wow, amazing. So travel is involved for some of my friends. A lot of affection, attention, recognition, name, fame, and love manifesting in their life. Marriages, oh my god, what is this? What a beautiful, beautiful week for my Virgo friends. Oh my god, wow. Brand new life manifesting for my Virgo friends in the coming week. So my Virgo friends were going through a lot of stress in their physical body as well. They were going through a lot of stress in their emotional body, their heart health, and they are going to release a big blockage from their heart as well as from their bones, I feel, with the help of their ancestors, their deceased loved ones. They come out of the situations which were very struggling for them, for which they were defensive, for which they were fighting. Those situations might be for them, or might be there was a person around them who was really struggling in their health, their heart health, their physical health was really struggling. That person is, I feel, in the last week only, that person has been relieved, and they are free. and it can be you or it can be there. So you have released all your blockages from your body, and there is a new journey that is of freedom that is manifesting for you in your life in the coming week. So stepping into the new week, I see you feeling very free, childlike happiness, freedom, travel, beautiful energies. There is something new that is happening into your life. Even with the world card here, I feel that you are stepping into your full power. You're stepping into a new chapter of your life, which brings in a lot of stability, security, happiness in your home life, in your work life, name, fame, recognition, affection, attention, appreciation, love for you. Very, very beautiful energies that I see for my Virgo friends. So freedom, definitely starting something new from zero has started happening in the last week only. So Monday, Tuesday, you are feeling very, very progressive. Your energy is very high. Might be you are doing some exercises, you're taking some healings. Anyways, your solar plexus chakra, your root chakra is very much healed, and you're feeling very powerful, attracting like-minded people. And for some of my Virgo friends, this is an appraisal. This is an upgrade in their position, might be in their family or might be in their work areas. Proposals coming for some for marriage settlement. Definitely for somebody I'm reading wherein their marriages, their roka is being done in the coming week. Is the week of their rokas, marriages. For some of my friends, it is their retirement. They are getting retired, moving on to the next chapter of their life, and there is a celebration, there is a party of their retirement happening. For some of my other friends, this is an upgrade in their work area. Some of you have finally decided to work from home. Some of you are given an upgrade. There can be a movement and travel involved in this. For some of you, this is an opportunity of traveling to a new city, state or country that is manifesting for you. For some of you, this is a manifestation of a new home, wherein a brand new home energy, something in your home scenario is changing, a new chapter in your home scenario wherein an upgrade for you is coming in your home scenario. So all in all, a very, very celebratory week for you. Yes, so yes, again and again I'm feeling that there is a death scenario also. There is an ending, there is a closure that is happening in your life, and a new chapter is beginning. So very, very beautiful time frame for my Virgo friends. Celebratory week for them. What more could I have said? This is an 11/11 moment for you. Some of you are manifesting childbirth. For some of you, there is a news around your child manifesting a home, and so you are feeling very much complete. You are getting a lot of praises. You're talking to a lot many people, and yes, dear friends, great good fortune comes to you in the coming week. What a beautiful energy. Caterpillar, dear friends, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. I feel this change occurs for you in the coming week. Mid of the week, I feel you feeling very stable in your home, in your work environments. The people you are interacting with are your soul family. And towards the end of the week, again, I feel a closure of a big chapter, you moving to a new life chapter. And they say it's up to you to manifest all these beautiful things into your life. It is up to you. The more you will be in high vibrations, dear friends, the more you are going to attract celebratory happy things into your life. So it is up to you to take a leap of faith into these new opportunities that are coming towards you. Brilliant new opportunities. I see a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person, and a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius person. Very, very evident for you in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes. Very, very celebratory week. Very high energies. You're very passionate. A very, very passionate week for you. New life chapter begins with a lot of stability, security and recognition for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week, my Virgo friends. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So let us see the coming week for our Libran friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Libran friends? Libra, wow, some kind of a celebration is going to happen. Travel, movement, stuck up energy is going to start to move for our Libra friends in the coming week. Wow, beautiful week for our Libra friends. So I feel in the last week you were either healing somebody or you were healing yourself. There was a situation around a person who was unhealed and you were healing this person. And in the process of healing this person, you were also feeling very drained in your energy. Or might be you yourself were unhealed and going through a lot of checkups, or might be, you were going through a situation of somebody, either you or a family member was hospitalized, can be so. And in the coming week, I feel beautiful energy. Some of you were meditating, healing yourself in the last week and defending yourself from the scenarios that were causing a lot of stress for you or a person around you. In the coming week, the start of the week only, I feel begins with a lot of celebrations. Monday, Tuesday, you are celebrating with your friends and family members. Wednesday, Thursday, I feel that a quick communication is coming towards you, or might be healing is happening for you, or might be, travel is on cards for you. You're traveling somewhere. And towards the weekend, I feel that a lot of stability, security, you're feeling very much, you're working diligently, you are in control of your emotions. But towards the weekend, it can be as we see the card of a fair man, there can be a dealing with a fair man. So this man or a relationship with the man with blonde grey white hair, this can be your father or your partner, or a person in a higher authoritative position, can be your father-in-law also, or your brother, somebody, or can be in an official place also, dealing with this person. This person can be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo sign person, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person. Okay, and then barrel, you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. This is a kind of feeling I feel you're coming from, this kind of a feeling from the last week. There has been some stuck situations or some kind of a stuck energy that you were working for, and were trying to release yourself from this kind of an energy. And in the coming week, however, I see celebratory situations around you. So a quick communication is also going to come to you. So whatever communications were blocked are going to happen for you. For some people, I see a Taurian person being evident. And what is this communication or this travel involvement going to bring to you? So I feel that there is a domination, there is a situation of domination, there is a situation of you feeling choked and, dominated by a person around you. There is an authoritative figure who is communicating with you towards the weekend with a lot of, domination, or might be, they are giving some kind of a news which makes you choked, something of the sorts. Happiness is ahead for you in the coming week. However, I feel it is a celebratory time, and at least the energies which were stuck up have started moving. Compromise in a certain situation is needed, might be with your partner or with a senior person in a company, or a situation around you which is becoming clear to you. So for whatever situation you feel there is a lack, it is possible that there is choked and blocked energy inside of you that you are not understanding, rather your communication comes from a place of more of domination. It is possible that your divine masculine is more active than your divine feminine, and so your communication with this person, either he can be fair complexion person or he can be a person of another city, state or a country, or an older man, this communication that you do with this person is not coming from a place of love and affection from your end. So there is a situation of compromise that is going to happen in the coming week for you, and I feel the divine guidance is for you to compromise in the situation. That is going to further, I feel it is going to flower for you and going to bring you a lot of happiness. So all in all, I will say that it is a good week for my Libra friends. A lot of healing is also taking place for this person who is around you, the older man. A lot of healing is also taking place around you. Whatever this person in an authoritative position, they have some choked energy in their chakras. That is going to be cleared for them. So let us move to the next zodiac sign, and that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. Coming week for our Scorpion friends. So I feel that my Scorpion friends are feeling very abundant, and in the coming week they are feeling very abundant. They are feeling very independent financially, and a lot of grounding energy is around them. This can be with regard to manifestation of a home, or with regard to a certain professional opportunity that has come to them, that is making them feel very strong in their inside and outside body. I feel that they are exploring opportunities of expansion for themselves, or might be for a partner or a child. So in the coming week, I feel that there is a need for my Scorpion friends to do some kind of charity, because a lot of abundance is manifesting in their life. I see a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus person being very evident for them in the coming week, as well a Leo person around them is evident. And all in all, I can say that it is a beautiful time frame for you, where abundance is manifesting for you. Your lower chakras are healing. So there is an opportunity of financial benefit that is coming to you in the coming week. And your health is very good. You are looking very charismatic, very dynamic. You just have to let go of one habit of, holding too tight to your finances and holding too tight to your relationships. I feel that you are abundant, but your subconscious somehow feels a lack or scarcity, so that is why you are not much open to sharing your gifts also, they are saying, or might be your complete knowledge or your finances, or you don't give much space in the relationship. So you need to let go of certain negative blockages in your chakras, or certain emotions which don't serve you well. And just as you will release or surrender this habit of holding too tight to your finances or your relationships, you are going to attract more and more abundance into your life. That's the message coming across for you. So for some of my friends, there is manifestation of home, there is manifestation of an independent profession, and some kind of an opportunity that is coming for you. And it is a time of a lot of compassion, love for you. Your mother or a mother-like figure or your wife becomes very evident in the coming week, and they say you will be shown the way. So for whatever opportunities you want to manifest for yourself, divine guidance is going to come to you, and good fortune is by your side. Definitely, I feel it is a very fortunate, lucky week for you, for my Scorpion friends. And if they were seeking a relationship with a younger partner, expansion on a relationship, I feel that you have to give space in this relationship in order to manifest this relationship towards the next level of growth. You need to give more space in this relationship. For my singles, I feel that you're very very possessive about this partner, and this partner who is by your side can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. This person needs more space in a relationship. So it is a time frame of recovery for you. If some of you were suffering in health, and also I take a yes answer over here and you are ready, it's a very beautiful week for my Scorpion friends. Romance for some, improving health. Oh my god, it's so beautiful that oh my god. For somebody who is a Scorpio, give a comment down below. Give a comment down below if you're seeing this reading. I feel it is a very very beautiful week of recovery for you. All that you had lost, or all that was taken from you, is being recovered to you in the coming week. So we have improving health and a recovery card over here. So if there was a situation wherein you were feeling that some kind of a damage had occurred in your health, you're rejuvenating. It is a week of recovery happening into your health, recovery of finances, I feel. Yes answer for your relationships, your business opportunities, you're seeking for business opportunity, travel, an opportunity for your child or a partner, manifestation of a child. It is a yes answer. You are recovering your health is improving. You are ready now for romance, you're ready now for manifesting childbirth, you're ready now for manifesting home, abundance. You are ready now for manifesting love, peace, harmony, health, wealth, prosperity, knowledge, wisdom, insights, name, fame, recognition, joy, happiness, content into your life. Good fortune is by your side. Very very beautiful week for my Scorpion friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. You are feeling very abundant, and Goddess Durga is blessing you in the coming week. I was sensing that there is a blessing from a mother. I feel Divine Mother Goddess is blessing you in the coming week. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, my Scorpio friends. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That's the zodiac sign of Sagittarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Sagittarius friends, dear angels? Sagittarius zodiac sign. So let's take one more card for our Sagittarius zodiac sign people. Oh my god, it's a week of a major transformation. Major transformation, major endings for my Sagittarius friends. So there can be an opportunity of a business or of this is a very last week I feel has been a very transitional week for you. Okay, so the coming week is very very balanced and healing for you. For my Sagittarius friends, I see you in your own energies. Last week there has been a situation of some kind of an ending and a release, either from your body, it can be. I feel that there were endings and closures of the situations that were causing lack in your life. If there was a lack of finances ever that you felt in your life, that situation, that life cycle has ended for you in the last week. And in the coming week I feel that a situation of a lot of balance, healing, karmic rewards are coming towards you. I feel that you have closed the chapter of financial lack in your life in the last week. A big transformation, a big release of negative blockage has happened from your chakras in the last week, and now you will manifest, here on you will manifest a lot of prosperity, a lot of abundance, safety, security and stability into your life. So for my friends who were seeking love, for them there is divine timing involved, and they tell me a year from now, that is the divine timing that is involved for the question on your mind, you might have ended a toxic relationship with an Aries. They are telling me they are with a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurian person. A toxic relationship has been ended, and now I feel that there is a transformation. There is a person beside you who can be Aries, Leo, or might be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person that you're seeking for a relationship, and this relationship can manifest for you in divine timing, and that divine timing is 1 year. For some of my friends, if you were seeking an opportunity of movement to another city, state, or a country, that the time frame involved is 1 year from today for the manifestation of that desire for you. So this transformation which is taking place for you, which is bringing a lot of balance, and which is going to end all of your concerns with regard to your stability, your health, and your financial status, that kind of a transformation is going to take a time frame of 1 year for you. Now this can be in a health scenario, this can be in a work area scenario, or this can be in a, some of you have started new businesses, new professions. The complete stability, security in that situation is going to come for you in a year's time frame. That's what I feel. But by your side there is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person. Wealth is going to manifest for you in the coming week. Beautiful. Victory in some endeavor. It's a very, very beautiful week for my Sagittarius friends. Wealth is manifesting into your life. I feel complete manifestation is going to happen in a time frame of 1 year, and you are going to be victorious in some endeavor that you're going to start from now on in a time frame of 1 year. So you are feeling victorious, you are feeling wealthy, you are feeling stable, energized. Divine realm is connected with you, and there is a very caring person around you who is healing you, who is bringing these changes, transformations, who is by your side during this transformative period. So lots of love and best wishes to my Sagittarius friends. And now we are going to move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Wow, a lot of healing is happening for our Capricorn friends there. Okay, so many cards falling for my Capricorn friends. I feel that there was a scenario wherein there was cheating, deception, there was okay, let me just read these cards as they're passed. So a scenario where there was lack, there was cheating, there was deception, there was non-commitment. You are moving from those relationships or those jobs, those scenarios, those people there, you are moving away from them and proceeding towards bringing more stability, security in your life. With regard to relationships also, you're moving away from deceptive partners, and with regard to your work areas also, you're manifesting opportunities which can even involve travel and bring a lot of financial benefits and stability into your life. So basically coming week is bringing a lot of healing, bringing a lot of clarity towards you. There is an offer of clarity that is coming towards you from a person who is Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person. And this person has a balance of their mind, body, and soul. Although they seem to be sharp-tongued people, but they have a soulful offer of joy, soulful offer of love for you, but they also feel as if they have to protect themselves from you with a certain offer that they have for you. I feel that they are also very emotional, but they wish to protect themselves, their emotions also in this offer. So in the last week, I feel that some of you were working very diligently either in manifesting a home or a property, or you were working diligently on a profession that you are thinking of starting from home, or might be a new work opportunity that came to you, you were working on that, or you were building relationships. So this offer that came to you might be for your education or learning experience for yourself or for your partner, is bringing a lot of safety, security towards you. And if there is an interview that you have to face in the coming week, you are going to crack this interview, you are going to win, you are going to be a winner in this situation. I feel that the situation involves either there is a situation around your mother, or there is a situation around your partner also that is involved in building this home or this stability, your 1111 moment, your new opportunity, and the opportunity of abundance, growth, inspiration is coming towards you in the coming week. So I feel there is scenario of a lot of healing, and the persons involved in this scenario are Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries also. They want to say Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and an Aries person is involved here. There is an interaction of two females also, I feel. One of the females operates from her mind, and the other female operates more from her heart and soul. So there can be a situation around these two females wherein you can be a healer in this situation. Something of the sorts is happening. I feel a lot of people are going to become evident for you in the coming week, and you need to shield and protect your energies from low vibrational people who cause you emotional imbalances. So there is for some of my friends, there is a manifestation of childbirth that they are seeking to become, they are wishing to become a parent, and that can manifest if they go under knife and they take they opt for other options. It can manifest for them. So in a work scenario, I feel that the opportunity of growth, prosperity comes to you. In a relationship scenario, I feel healing is going to occur in your relationships, and you need to cut your cords from people who are deceptive, who cause you lack and loss in past. Exactly. So news is on its way. I feel the news, the interview that you gave, clarity is going to come on that, or might be the news you were waiting for is going to come to you. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex, so it can be a same sex relationship. Some of you might be involved with a partner. Here I see two females of same sex, so it can be a relationship between two females of same sex, and that they are enjoying that relationships. So deep friendship with someone of same sex, you're going to have a good time with this person. If you're a person who is attracted to a similar sex partner. And for some of my other friends, in that relationship, I feel that there was a partner who was trying to hide their reality from you, and in the coming week I feel that they are going to have a clear communication. You're going to have a good time frame with them. If some of my other friends, I feel that you are having a kitty party, or you're having a communication or a good happy time with your friends, similar sex friends, and enjoying that time frame. However, there is a good news coming towards you, which is your yes answer. So this is a big week for my Capricorn friends. If they're checking on this reading, give me a comment down below. It is a week of manifestations. If you were seeking a yes no answer for your job, career, business scenario, for your relationship scenario, for your health scenario, it is a big yes, and this is 100% yes from divine. It is going to manifest for you. Even for the similar sex relationships, it is going to manifest for you when you're going to have a clear communication with the other person who is most probably shy in nature. You are going to manifest this relationship for yourself. So I wish you all the best. Very, very happy week for my Capricorn friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. coming week for our Aquarian friends. So I was taking a breath of sigh like this for my Aquarian friends. Something has happened in their life which is like even finally like, oh, aha moment, oh my god, like that kind of a scenario. Okay, let's see. So for my Aquarius friends, I feel that the coming week is going to be a very beautiful week. In the last week also, I feel that because they have had faith in divine, 100% message that is coming to you is that because you had faith in your angelic realm, because you had faith in your deceased loved ones, your divine god and goddesses, that is why you are being able to manifest happiness, satisfaction and your 1111 moments in the coming week. So if there was a situation which was making you feel toxic, choked, in the coming week, I feel that Monday, Tuesday, you are going to be absolutely satisfied, contented. There is a wish fulfillment kind of a moment happening for you in Monday, Tuesday, and the zodiac signs which I see evident over here are Sagittarius, Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini people, and of course many zodiac signs. So yeah, fire signs can also be evident for some of my very few people, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, more of Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio and earth signs and a Sagittarius person, yes. So Monday, Tuesday, you're feeling very satisfied. Something that you're doing might be in a relationship scenario. There is a mutual commitment coming towards you. Might be in a work scenario. There is a wish fulfillment happening, but might be there is a divine timing for the manifestation of this desire completely. It can be with regard to a secretive relationship also that you are pursuing or you were pursuing in your life. A third party situation can be there. Mid of the week, I see you juggling many tasks. Might be your office area, your work area, and some of you, I'm seeing that you're trying to adjust yourself to these new energies or these new opportunities of people that are have started opening their heart towards you. Some of you, I see that you are trying to balance your chakras. Somehow you're doing meditations, you're trying to keep your balance in the mid of the week. And for some of you, you are weighing your options as to this new opportunity of satisfaction that is coming towards you. You are weighing your options, whether you should pursue this opportunity or whether you should not pursue this opportunity, this person. And towards the weekend, again, I feel that your 11/11 moment, your celebratory moment, you're celebrating something, either a birthday or a roka party, or might be engagement, some kind of a commitment. Some of you are decorating your home, some of you are celebrating some kind of a satisfactory situation in regards to a relationship that was not manifesting for you. Might be you are manifesting stability, security in that relationship that is happening for you. Or some of you, this opportunity can be with regard to an option of marriage settlement coming for your child. So they say temporary situation. So something they want to clarify that this situation till now is not permanent. This situation is temporary situation, and therefore you need to weigh your options very carefully. And here we have a key, dear friends. They say successful outcome to your plans. For some of you, definitely this is a key to a new home. So might be you are manifesting a new home through settlements in marriages or moving to purchase of a property, new home. This can be an inauguration of a new home for you. And for some of you, you have been given this key from the divine realm to now solve your problems. So weigh your options. Now the ball is in your court to weigh your options and see if you want to pursue this relationship or you want to pursue this opportunity and take it to the next level or not. So there are temporary situations which are causing you situations of adjustment in the mid of the week, but this is, however, this is a time frame for you to take action. So this is not a time frame for you to sit back. Whatever situations are there wherein you have to weigh your options and finally decide whether you want to pursue towards this stability situation which gives you so much satisfaction, or you want to move away from this person, place, or a situation. However, all in all, I can say the week is very happy, stable, satisfactory and enjoyable week for you. Therefore, you enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lot of divine guidance is coming to you. Angelic realm is connected with you. So now we are going to move on to our last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. So what is the energy of the coming week for our Piscean friends? Let's see the energy of the coming week. So Death card is here, which tells me that it is a week of a major transition, a closure of a big life chapter that could have caused you a lot of cheating, deception in your life. So it is a week of the end of all of the situations that were deceptive, that were causing you third party situations in a relationship. Too many cards are following. So let's see what they want to say. So many messages over here. Many messages over here. Oh my god, many messages over here. So let me take it like this. So I feel that all of those chapters which were deceptive, let's take it from a relationship perspective. So for a relationship perspective, I feel that last week you were indecisive with regard to a certain situation that is not clear to you. Either your partner is not moving forward with a commitment, or you are indecisive to take a step forward or backward. And for the last week, your guidance from divine was to go with the flow of the things that are happening, because the things that are happening around you are happening because of a certain divine plan, and there is divine timing involved. You are being asked to take the guidance that is being given to you. Listen to your intuitive nudges, listen to the messages for the clarity that you want on this situation. So in the coming week, all of the situations that had ever caused loss in your life, the people who had caused you situations of lack, situations of remorse, situations of deception, third party situations, all that negative energy is going to be released from your chakras. There is going to be a major release of a negative blockage from your chakra, as a result of which all of the negative situations from your life are going to eventually end in the coming week. It is a very major week of closure of a cycle that was bringing a lot of loss, deceptions in your life. For some of you, it can be with regard to a relationship, and thereafter I see you pursuing and building up a relationship with a person who can have a crush on you, or either you had a crush on that person and I see you building a relationship with them. Now this person can be Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio, or Taurus, Virgo, Gemini person. Okay, and so I see you coming out of a third party situation. I see you coming out of cheating, deception situation. This is in your love scenario. So a blessing is coming towards you. Love scenario, a mutual love situation is going to manifest in the life of my persons, whether they are married, whether they are single or unmarried. If there was a situation in your relationship area where there were people who were deceptive again and again. I am saying because you are giving a big closure to that life cycle, and all this was happening with you because you had past life karma. You had to release these blockages from your body, so a big release in the coming week will happen. This release can happen in the first 2 to 3 days, and after that you will start to build up a relationship of stability, security with a partner on whom you had a crush, or might be they had a crush on you. They are also going to bring equal stability into this relationship. Now for a work scenario. So for a work scenario, if there was a situation wherein there was no clarity coming to you from an interview that you had given, or there was a senior in your company who was not letting you know about your position or clarity, in the coming week I feel that you will get an opportunity to work with a new organization, or to pursue your own passion. That can be spirituality also. So I feel that you're closing a job, business, or a career perspective that was not serving you, that was not meant for you, where people were stealing your work and taking their own name, fame, recognition. That area of your work, you are moving on to another area of work. For some of you, it is the situation is with regard to your child. So I feel that, for some of my friends, they are manifesting childbirth. If in past they underwent IUI or IUF also, but lost a child, in the coming week there can be manifestation of childbirth, and so it is a good opportunity of a second time manifestation of a child, conception of a child birth for them in the coming week. For some of my friends, this situation is with regard to a new institute, company, or a new school wherein you are admitting your child, and this scenario from where you are coming out to a new one is a good blessed scenario for you. For some of my friends, definitely there was a person who was suffering in their health, and that person is finally, they are released to the universe. Their soul is released, and they were suffering in their health for a very few of my friends. However, in the coming week, what is manifesting for you is peace and harmony, be it in your relationships, be it in your work areas, and you are eventually going to get honor and respect will come to you. A crown, I make you wear this crown in the coming week. So eventually you are coming out of all the blockages in your body. Inside of your body you are releasing because of the healings, and finally opportunities of name, fame, recognition, honor, respect are coming to you, or for your partner, or for your child. You are starting building up new prosperity, prosperous situations for yourself, and they say it's up to you to come out of these relationships, these work areas which were causing you so much stress, where there was cheating, deception, and take up this new opportunities of growth that are coming towards you. And it is totally up to you. Divine leaves it to you to release these blockages and move on to a next chapter of your life, which is bountiful, which is beautiful for you. So I wish you all the best, my Piscean friends. It's a big week of a release and transformation for you of negative blockages. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to my Piscean friends, and lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends on Healing Souls. Do give your comments down below, subscribe to our channel, share our work, and boost us and appreciate us also. Thank you very much, dear friends.